So today what's going on is they're not getting enough draft from the chimney, so we're going to extend a little bit, but first we're going to go down and take a draft reading. So here's what's going on. We're down here with Honest Jardy's plumbing service, and he's going to take a draft reading. There's the draft. This is not getting enough draft, and they're using
an inducer, an draft inducer.
Yeah.
But it's they have it running constantly. They don't have it running off. It's not running right now. And they have the RC screwed shut.
They have that block.
Well, that'll give it more draft shut.
Yeah. So it shows the draft thing in there.
And it's only going to one right now. It's not running.
It's only going to one right now.
I have to disable this, and then we're going to fire it.
He's getting a little bit, but we're going to raise the chimney. Fired the boiler up, and it's up to 4.
Yeah, he's getting enough draft.
So, got to figure out if this cap is going to come off. So got to get the top off. There we go. There they go. There we go. Get the top off. What's that? We got that off of there. Here's the plan. We got the cap off, and I brought everything up here. I got my chimney block. I'm gonna put 4 of them in, maybe. And when you're doing these flues like this, you got to run your trowel around the inside to deburr it, because if you're ever put an insert in, you want them catching on anything. Comprende? Today I'm going to use this high performance fast set by Quick Rate repair mortar. Alright, put it in the pan. Fix it up. Out up here with the cement. Put it around. Right in the center there. Here we are this way. That's good. This way is good. Over there. Over there it's a little smaller. Here. Here. So now I just want to get a little bit around the flue. You can see in there, so that kind of don't leave no hair holes. Not that it's going to matter. Just like putting a sealant. 3 feet. No, 2 feet. There it is. All right. Should be close. Good. Good. Going pretty good. Good with that. And let's see. Now we just drop this flue. Right down in. Go around it if you have any bad spots. Feel in there. Okay. Good. All right.
So you put one more end in the cap or what?
Well, I'm gonna put the. I'm gonna go one more, and we'll throw the cap on, and then
see what it looks like.
We'll think you can make
See
that
if Gerard is
decision.
happy with his draft.
Yep. We'll be able to test it then, that's for sure. That'll make a difference, because I did this before, and I know from a fireplace years and years ago.
Joe, I had a chimney, I put a boiler in DuPont. You know, I had to put 2 of those barometrics in to slow the draft down. That's how, the chimney must have been 40 feet high. And I had so much draft I couldn't slow it down. I had it wide open, so I had to put 2 of those barometrics in to slow it down.
Okay.
The house was on the top of a hill, and I'm telling you that, you know, picture the hill sloping down, and it was on the high
We
side.
put 3 in. Let's check the level. See how I'm putting the cap on. Just so you know, I'm doing all the work, and the other guy is holding the camera. He ain't doing nothing.
Well, some people get paid for what they do, some people get paid for what they know.
I guess you know how to. Okay, we gotta do that. You have a little ruler with you?
It's down on the picnic table.
Okay. And then we just flew in. Like that. We gotta go get that. Yeah, we're filling that hole in right there. Around the flue.
Number 6 is what happens is
Plaster, and you gotta wet it first. Makes it stick. A little harder.
yeah, James' birthday was yesterday.
All right, then at the end we just sponge it. This is that fast drying cement, so you don't get a lot of time with it. You gotta be soft. And then just try to blend it all in. What I'm gonna do is lift this up a little bit, like that. Put that up a little bit like that. And get the sponge with some cement on it. That way it matches the rest of the chimney. See that? What I'm doing is faking it in there. And if there's any bad holes, I could fill them in. So that's it. If you could see it, we raised it 4 blocks and finished it. Hey, there it is.
That's what we
That
want,
went up
0.04. It'll warm up, it'll go up. That's where that comes in.
Talk a little bit about those chimneys. If you're watching from my past video, chimneys like that are a thing of the past. Nobody's doing it anymore. A lot of insurance companies are canceling businesses with coal or wood. Everything's going to metal. I only fix some of them for certain people, but I would never build a new one. Last one I built was about 15 years ago, and we put a liner down it for a gas furnace because we had to do something with the space. Let me just show you that. I'm pointing to a chimney I built 15 years ago. And you got to go up to the top, and you got to drop a line all the way down, and then you got to measure in to make sure that that house ain't bowed. Then when you get to the top, you can continue the line or use a level up there. So when you do build them, you have to go from the top and drop a plumb line, and you have to measure against the building, because that building might be going like this up, or it might be out of level this way or that way. So you got to know how to start from the bottom. My neighbor works for PP&L, and he tells me when they put a new pole in, they go around it with a plumb line to make sure that that pole is plumb. Draft, the higher the chimney, the more the draft. Usually, unless there's a roof or trees or something in the way, it all depends. I use like a different fast drying cement. It dries slower than rapid set and a lot faster than traditional cement, so it's easier to work with for a job like that. And that's about it. All my videos are food for thought. I hope they help. Next video I'm going to talk about flues and chimney tops, and then after that I got one coming up with old school brick chimneys back in the old days, like the 20s and the 30s and that. So thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next video.